What's up YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the Mark IV R32. So today we're going to pretty much cover up this bad boy right here. And I guess go and piggyback off another video that the guy had the R34 engine Dogbone mount for the Mark IV. Well, with the DLI technique and engine mounts and training mount. And this bad boy, NVH is still minimal, believe it or not. You can see that they have the axles there installed, and same on the other side. So yeah, I would say that's the beauty about it. No issues whatsoever. I do have to replace a couple bolts here. I was just doing the secondary air injection and the rubber mounts, missing a nut pretty much there on that bad boy, and just did my D28 sensor, if you guys are wondering. So these are 10 millimeters. There's one above. I know Charles, Humble Mechanic, mentioned it. The one above is actually 20, and then the sensor itself, that is like located right behind where the finger is at, behind this bracket. It's easier just to, like he said, remove the secondary air injection pump to just basically have room. So that's also 10 millimeters. I know you just something like hand tightening, it's pretty much what it is. But if you guys don't have a newton meter or a torque wrench, there you have it. So anyways, I just want to touch bases. Oh, and the nuts are all 10 FY, as well 10 millimeters around the whole thing. So I'm just going to get those replaced. Currently I'm just using the old ones, old hardware, and then I'll replace them, and she should be good as new. I'll probably repowder coat this bad boy because let's just say oxidation's got the best of it. But yeah, R32 Motorsport mount, and it seems to be pretty awesome. And I'm grateful I purchased that bad boy versus the original ones that I have from Black Forest Industries, BFI. And so yeah, that one actually cracked right around there, believe it or not. So I still have it. It's somewhere in some box. I probably use the OEM and rebuild it and resell it and go from there. So yeah, and then here's the KW2s. Obviously, new speed sway bar links, ECS's stage 5 big brake kit, and before somebody asks, and then the ground control camber plates. But currently I'm having some clunking sound from what you saw from that video. This is when I swapped from the ABAC Pro Street version. That used to be a KW variant. That used to, like, I guess they work together. I don't know. It said literally KW on the bottom, produced by KW. And there, basically, once I swapped them out to the KW2s, now I have this clunking. So I have no idea. And I do have PowerFlex bushing there, the DEFCON kit as well. Whether or not I will upgrade to like US Rally's hardcore set frame, I have no idea. And that's pretty much it. So it's giving you a heads up on what's the project. And you know, obviously there's no cats on mine because this is my straight track car that I used to use, even though it's like somewhat close to OEM and then some. So if you like what you see, subscribe, hit that like button, comment, share, and knowledge is power. And there you guys go. So making you guys feel more empowered and educated on the, you know, what part you should get if you decide to choose this route. This works for me, and yeah, go from there. And yes, I did upgrade these two, FYI, that and, you know, the steering as well. So should have no issues whatsoever down the road. I just need to repowder coat a lot of crud from it just sitting there. So yeah, being a long good buyer. All right guys, talk to you again.